Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We're doing a video on Keratosis Obturans because we had a few people ask questions about it in the comments on the last video. So this is a picture of the ear. So we have the outer part of the ear here, we have the ear canal at this point, and we have the eardrum here. Now the way that skin normally migrates out of this portion of the ear is if you put a dot in the centre of the eardrum, the skin migrates out in all directions from that point to the ear canal wall and then moves laterally, so moves with the direction of the ear canal to the outer part of the ear. And that process then picks up any dirt and debris along the way, which then drops out of the ear. Now with Keratosis obturans, that process becomes interrupted. So it starts off normally, detaches from the canal wall here, and then it carries on growing into the canal. So you get this constant flow of skin being pushed into the ear canal, which is forming quite hard skin tissue, which then just wraps around itself like a onion skin. Now because it's so deep, it's not going to migrate the way it should normally, which is the way out of the ear canal here, and then starts putting pressure on the surrounding tissue. So what you get then is the degradation of the skin. It can also start to eat through the bone as well if it stays in there for too long. So you do really need to get this out. Now obviously we know it won't migrate, so the only way to do that is by physically removing this using something like microsuction to take that away. Now sometimes as that forms, what you'll get is a little end, which is what you saw on the video the other day, so a little ribbon, and you can physically unwrap it and take it away that way. So there you go guys, that's Keratosis obturans. I hope you enjoyed watching that video, and as always, if you enjoyed it, like, share, comment. Thank you very much and take care.